guys, so this is a finished look of this unit. So I'm going to try to pronounce this company's name without messing it up. So I believe the pronunciation of this company is Eullair. I hope that's correct. So they hit me up and wanted me to do a review, and I decided to go ahead and do a review for them. I've actually seen a whole bunch of videos on YouTube, other people who've gotten units and bundles, and it looks like it was really great. So I decided to choose this unit from them. So this is 150% density pre-plucked lace front straight human hair wig with baby hairs. I don't even know why they add that into the title, because most of the time now when you order wigs, they all have baby hairs around the perimeter. Now this one, guys, I got this one in a 22 inch, and it's, like I said, it's 150% density. The color I got, it's a natural color, and I got the Brazilian virgin hair texture. Now I'm going to give you guys the price right now of this unit if you guys order from this company. If you order in 22 inches, the same way I got a natural color with the Brazilian virgin hair texture, you'll get this for $165 flat. Now, it does say shipping is 3 to 5 days to the US, and they have some coupon codes listed on here as well. So this is something awesome to think about. Now, for me, I'm going to say, for this wig, you will not get a wig like this for this price, length and density wise, from anyone else at this price. $165 is pretty good. Now, as far as 150% density, guys, I don't really agree with that. I feel like this is almost like 180 to 200% density. For straight hair that's long, and this is true to length, and it's not thin at all. Even though this is a straight kind of silky texture, you would have expected it to be like a little flat. You know, not even flat. You would expect it to be very thin at the ends. This hair is actually full, you know, thickness from root to ends, which I really, really like. Now, this one does come with about 4 inches of parting space. It does say that it came pre-plucked, but I kind of feel like I had to go in and do my own thing to it just because it wasn't pre-plucked enough for me. So that might be something you might consider doing, plucking it extra or just leaving it the way it came from the company. Now, this is a medium to average cap size. So a medium to average cap size is about 22 to 22.5 inches circumference wise. If you don't know how to measure, if you don't know what your head circumference is, I would also recommend you go ahead and measure it. This unit, to me, I think it's pretty solid. I did show you guys that I styled it on the mannequin head, meaning I want to show you guys when I bone straightened it out. So it's pretty straight, guys, and I like the fact that it has like a nice long length. It just kind of flows with the wind. I went out yesterday and everybody was like, oh my god, your hair is so beautiful. As far as the parting space, I just did like a little curve part because it's not like my regular 6 inches that these companies been providing lately. So 4 inches, you actually have to do like a little bit of a swiggle with the parting. I did go ahead and do some fun baby hairs around the perimeter, did my little side tab or whatever, and overall, I think it's actually really cute. I did style in a ponytail one day, like a low ponytail, and I thought that was actually cute yesterday as well, too. So there's ways you can rock this one. It is just a lace front wig, so you're not getting that 360 with the back. But with the back, if you want to do a ponytail, all you got to do is make sure you do like a little tuck and fold, and you'll be good to go. So I do think that this came out super pretty. I did go to the dollar store, the hair store yesterday, and get me some door knockers. Was going for like a little bit of like a 90s look today with this entire look. So I think that this came out really nice. As far as my top goes, it's a whole entire 2-piece set from Fashion Nova. I do have a haul coming out on Friday, this Friday, so you guys will see a lot of these kind of fun, like fall, kind of inspired looks. So just stay tuned for that one. You guys will see this entire top and bottom set, which is super dope. So stay tuned for that. So guys, I will leave all the information down below in regards to this hair company and this unit that I'm showing you guys today. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.